Hello guys, I'm Wajahat Ahmed and today I'm going to show you how you can upgrade your Dell Inspiron N5110 RAM. So as you can see that my RAM of laptop is 4 GB and I want to upgrade it to 8 GB of RAM. Here you can see that I have 4 GB of RAM and I want to upgrade it to 8 GB. So let's start it. First turn off your laptop and shut down it. You need two things. One, 4 GB of RAM. I have DDR3 1300 MHz RAM and a screwdriver. Now if your laptop is turned off, then turn it to back side and then here, as you can see that here is a screw. Just unlock it, but first remove your battery from the laptop and then unscrew your now after doing this, put your screwdriver here and gently pull it out like this and like this, and here it is. And here's a place where you can insert your RAM. So, and here are two pins which you can connect the RAM with them, and now put your RAM like this. Now gently insert your RAM here and then push it down a little bit, and with a screwdriver pull these things out. And there you go. And now you have inserted your RAM. And now place the cover back to its place and gently press it, and now screw it down, and now put your battery back like this. And now let's see how it works. And now you'll see my RAM. Here you go. And that's it. It is an easy way to upgrade your RAM in Dell Inspiron N5110. Thank you guys for watching. If you have liked this video, then please don't forget to subscribe me.